Alright, it's time to do the walls now. So I'm framing everything 16 inches on center, but I will actually mark everything 3/4 back from the 16 marks. So instead of marking 32, I'll mark 31 1/4, and then everyone and so forth. That way my sheets end dead center in the middle of the studs. Now, while in theory it was a good idea to wrap this on the ground, I don't recommend you doing that. Reason being that I was totally overlooking the fact that I have to add strapping to the building. I made a mistake as far as that goes that day, and I didn't even catch it at the time. I just kept wrapping the whole thing. Needless to say, I'll be going back, taking parts of the wrap off to add my strapping, and then putting it back on. Other than that, this is pretty simple. There's not really much to it, just regular stick framing. I didn't even catch it at the time either. I just kept wrapping, like, yeah, it's great.